show you guys a Shein fall winter haul. Well, hey besties, welcome back to Styling Curves. If you've never been here before, I create plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content for curvy boss babes. So if that's you, you might want to consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting your bell notification so you don't miss anything. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a ton of stuff I hauled from Shein. I am, for reference point, a US size 2X 1820. I put all my measurements below the video, as well as all the links to everything in case if you want to shop. If something should sell out, don't worry, check back on my links because I will have either replaced it with a similar item or Shein will have restocked. So check those links again if something goes out of stock. Without further ado, I paid for everything in this video with my own money, and let's just get on with it. Okay, first look, the one I'm wearing. This is so cute. Okay, let's talk about the tank. So the tank is sold separately. It's just a scalloped black top, and it comes down, it's about like this long. It sells out all the time and they restock it. I got it in a 3X, which is sizing up one size for me. Paired this look with my thigh-high boots. These I did not get at Shein, but I will link them below the video. They came from Amazon. All right, now the two-piece set that I'm wearing is a leopard two-piece set. It's really light, but you can mix and match the top and bottom with different things depending on where you live. Right here, it's got the elastic, made to be worn off the shoulder, tropical print. This would look so cute with a green blazer and some black slack. So it's kind of how you're shaped. It might work better for you if your body type is a little bit different than mine. Here's what it looks like in the back. So this one, I don't think I will keep. This one will probably go into my Poshmark unless I'm wearing it under a jacket because I love the material and I love that it has the crisscross. I'm just not crazy about here or the way that it looks on my shoulders. Like it looks like I have shoulder pads in, but I don't. This video goes on, the worse my hair looks. All right, let's look at this one. Ooh, I love this one. I love these flowy bell sleeves. I love the print on this. Look how beautiful the pattern is and how vibrant the colors are. I love that it has elastic right here and that it is asymmetrical. Fantastic fit. I got this one in a size 3X, so I sized up just because my bust measurements on the website seemed to indicate that I needed a 3X, and I feel like it fits fantastic. So I'm going to pair these with this purse that I got there and these earrings, and I think, I don't know if you can tell, those are orange. I think that's going to be a good fit. I bought this one in a 4X. I did not iron this, so it's a hot mess, but you guys have seen me haul this in a previous video in the royal blue. This comes in a bunch of colors, and I actually went back and got it in red because I just love it. I love the way the sleeves are. I love that you can either tie it in the middle or tie it, I can't see because I don't have a mirror, but you can either tie it in the middle or tie it off on the side. Same shirt, but now I've reversed the actual bow to the back. And I'm going to show you why, because I bought this. So you could wear this shirt plain either way, bow to the front, bow to the back. But I bought this little vest in this black, white, and with a red stripe. And then here's what I'm going to do. So if I'm going to wear it open, this is why I moved the bow, because if I wear this open, right, I'm not going to want to have that extra bow. Oh, this is so stretchy. And just to let you know, I got this in a 3X because I wanted it oversized. So what I did was I went ahead, and it's like about knee length. I went ahead and just closed it. You could probably wear it with a more fitted sleeve shirt too, but I already had this shirt on. But I just closed it and tied it right here, and I just love this vest. Then there's this gingham dress in red and white. I love because it's got multi-tiers. It ties in the middle. It's got a conservative V-neck with a couple buttons. Good arm length. Fits really good. This one I sized up and I got a 3X. I think this is gonna look so cute for the December holidays because I can mix it with red tights and a red jacket and really pull off a cute Christmas look. But then when it gets to be summer, I can peel all that off and wear it and transition it with like natural like straw purse or whatever and wear it for the summer. So this one's a multi-purpose. So don't be scared when stuff's on sale to not get it because you think, oh, it's too summery, because you can put tights, leggings, jackets, sweaters. You can pair a lot of stuff with something like this and turn it into fall and winter clothes. And then in the summer or spring season, you can wear it without those extra elements and still have a good piece that's multifunctional for you for one price. I ordered in a 4X. The first time I ordered it in a 2X or a 3X. I can't remember. Anyway, somehow I ended up on the reorder. I ordered a 4X so I would have a little bit extra space. In the bust, it tends to fit tight, but I like it loose everywhere else. So I feel like the 4X is perfect for me. You can either put this in the middle or to the side, or you could even throw it in the back if you wanted. I like it off to the side. Can you see how pretty the color is? And it's conservative with the neckline and the length as well, so it'll be very easy to wear to work. And the little ruffle, and I love the arm coverage. I just think it's such a beautiful color and a very simple dress that could easily be dressed up or dressed down or worn just as is. Okay, so the first thing is this necklace that I got in all of these fall colors. It came with a set of earrings and then this dress. So many people have hauled this dress. I got it in a 3X. It's like a wrap and you pull it over. I do like the arm length. It's 100% cotton, so I got mine kind of big, so if it shrinks, it'll be okay. Comes in a couple different colors, but this is the color that I got it in for fall. I love the necklace. I do like the dress, although I feel like because I have a short torso, it kind of hits me in a weird place. Like on most people, this probably hits across your waist instead of your hips. And I don't know if I'm exactly thrilled with where it's hitting on me. I still think it's cute. I just don't know. I'm kind of like, I feel like the placement could have been better. I probably could tie it tighter and bring it higher. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it. What do you guys think here? This one I got in a 3X, so I sized up one size. Love these poofy sleeves though. And I love that you could wear it up if you wanted to, like partially on your shoulders, or wear it off the shoulder. What look was your favorite? I'm so excited for this season. As always, those links are below the video, so if you need to shop, they're gonna be there for you. I appreciate you coming and supporting my channel and being part of my YouTube family. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials at Styling Curves.